Hey everyone, so I will be showing you how to replace the cartridge of the Ecosphere water purifier. So it's been really great to have our very own water station at home. So as you can see, it's very sleek, it's very tiny, yan na siya, and it's connected to our kitchen faucet na. So with just a press of a button, we get safe and clean 99.9999% clean drinking water at home without having to worry about ordering from outside. We don't have to worry about, you know, being exposed to people delivering the water. We don't have to worry about storage. We also don't have to think about how the water was handled in the refilling stations, because that was us before. When we lived in a condo, we used to order water and then it will be delivered to us. So since we had this in 2018, we never had to worry about those things na. This one gave us peace of mind because it provided us the water that we needed without having to, you know, go outside, without having to order, and without having to be exposed to other people to deliver water for us. So there, I just wanted to share it with you because it has been so helpful for us. And if you happen to be my client who ordered an Ecosphere from me, pretty much soon you will be needing this video because you will be replacing your cartridge unit. And it's really easy. Ako lang gagawa nito, guys. You just follow a video or follow what I do, and yeah, very easy. We've had no problems with our Ecosphere, no maintenance needed. We didn't even have to hire anyone or a plumber to, you know, assemble the unit for us. So everything is just literally a plug and play thing. So I hope you will learn from this video, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment or send me a message. And there. So I'll show you what's inside. This is the cartridge that will replace what's inside this unit. So everything is here. Wala ka na ibang iisipin, you just have to replace it. By the way, for those who have their Ecospheres already, you can order this ahead of time para hindi kayo magmamadali or magpapanik pag naubos na yung cartridge life nyo. This has no expiry, and it has a 2-year warranty. So you can just store it at home as long as it is away from sunlight or away from heat and it's upright. You can keep cartridges at home just to reserve in case malapit na ang 5,200 liter life ng Ecosphere cartridge nyo. So I'll show you how to assemble it. Very easy lang.
Okay, so just lift the cover from the tower of your Ecosphere and you will find the cartridge inside. All you have to do is turn it counterclockwise. One turn and it will automatically lift up. There you go. So it's a bit heavy because it already has water inside. So just pull it straight up and set it aside.
Now we get the cartridge. There you go. And just put it in. Make sure that the handle, this one, ayun, naginig yun na, diba? Is aligned 90 degrees. And then you just press it down and then turn it clockwise to 12 o'clock. Ta-da! There you go. And make sure aligned yung dot to the other dot over there. And then close it. Just plug, and then you will see. There you go. Now it's ready. Next is you'll just have to turn on the faucet. There you go, and then it's in so the diverter is turned on. You just have to click on the purify there. So let the Ecosphere run until the water is steadily flowing. So, yan siya. It's working. So this will take around a few minutes, and you just have to wait until it turns blue. Yan. So there you go. Once it's blue, the water will start flowing steadily. There you go. O, diba? And then, this is already clean and safe drinking water. Ta-da! All good. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my short video about my Ecosphere water purifier and how to replace the cartridge super easily. If you have any questions or would like to have your very own Ecosphere at home, you can just leave a comment or you can send me a message and I will gladly assist you. I'm also giving out a discount for this month and maybe for next month because it's my birthday month. So if you really need one, just let me know so that I can arrange for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers! The best.